Welcome to Colombia! Welcome wonderful people all over the world. My name is Frank, I'm Swiss and I run a tour operator in Bogota, Colombia. I'm currently in San Rafael. This is about 1 hour driving from Guatapé, which I spent the last week. And I'm here with the local tour operator, with Leo. And as always, he will explain us everything after he introduced himself, and then we will see the magic of San Rafael and the great tours and outdoor experiences you can have here.
Hi, my name is Leo. I'll be your guide for today for this experience. Today we are going to visit the Lagoon La Cazuela, and we are going to visit the waterfall La Isleta. In San Rafael, you can do a lot of activities. Almost all the activities is in the water because there are a lot of rivers and there are a lot of waterfalls and there are a lot of nature species of birds and many places, beautiful places.
So this activity of today is intermediate level. It's about 3 kilometers and it starts on the main road, and then we have here gravel road. It's more a trail though, although you could drive it with a 4x4. It's 3 kilometers and we will get to first place where we actually can swim if we want. So if you come here, always bring your bathing suits or something you can go into the water, and then we will continue the hike, but we'll show you everything, so don't worry. So the town of San Rafael is on 950 meters. I don't know feet, sorry, US Americans. And it goes up to 2,400 meters in the surrounding area, so we're in the mountains. And they have around 360 different bird species and also 3 endemic ones. And Leo also told me that there are ¿cómo se llaman los monos? Titi gris monkeys that can be seen quite often. So sometimes you're lucky, sometimes not. Let's see if we're going to see them. Yeah, we'll see. So San Rafael started actually existing because there was a gold rush, so they started with some gold mining, and then there was a priest founding the first local church here, and then the town started to exist. And this is actually the history of the foundation of San Rafael. And of course, during those times, there are no cars, so everything was with mules and horses. And I would say that's the story of many Colombian towns, how they started their existence. We've been very lucky, we saw the monkeys, I'm happy, it's cool. Leo told me you don't see them always, but in about 60%. And they're very easy to see when they're there. And yeah, they were very close and quite not running away when we are coming along. Just arrived to the Lagoon La Cazuela and the water is crystal clear, beautiful. It's really animating for taking a jump right away here from the rocks, but unfortunately I'm not dressed for it, so if you come here, be ready to jump into the crystal clear water. Very nice, very beautiful. So Leo, he's a water guy, so he will take, he's got the flaps, I think. So we will take the 360 camera and dive down. It's about 5 meters. And he said there is some fish and crystal clear view. So I'm really curious about the footage we will get out of that.
We are ready to dive. The most beautiful places.
This was the first stop. Lagoon with fish, crystal clear water. Now we're on the way to the waterfall. And it's an easy trail, as you can see. Easy walkable. Goes a little bit uphill, but nothing out of the world. Hey Colombia traveler! Do not miss out on the great additional information we always provide below in the description sections of all our videos. Now back to the video. So we just arrived at the waterfall, like 30 minutes walk, and very nice. As it is weekend now, so it will fill up quite a bit with people. It's actually Sunday, but during the week, no people. So as travelers, I'm sure you can arrange it that you will come here during the week. Much cooler, much better experience because you will be alone. Because we have been very fast and there were quite some people at all the waterfalls, we took the car again, 20 minutes and 1 hour of walking almost, and we came here to another place, another waterfall. Nobody's here, so this is the end of the tour. I was here working on the cell phone, so there's a huge pool over there, very nice. We'll go have a swim. And then we go for another tour in the afternoon. We'll show you in a separate video. Take care wherever you are around the world. I hope I see you soon here back on our channel again, or even better, here in Colombia. All the best, just Colombia Frank. Bye bye.